Makuu tufuatilia matukio.
Of August 2024 and again on 3rd of September 2024 on two occasions, in the morning of that day on 23rd of the 3rd and the afternoon of the same day this court invited the Inspector General of Police to shed light to the disappearance of 3 persons who are citizens of this country. In its ruling, the court reasoned that summon is based on 2 fundamental reasons. One, the IG has specific constitutional duties under the Constitution to preserve or to promote the security of persons in this country. So whether they have admitted that there's an arrest or not, the orders of this court must have force of the law because they derive from specific provisions of the Constitution that bestow on the IG and other security agencies the obligation to preserve security of persons in this country. Secondly, my Lord, we have placed before you evidence that these persons were abducted in relation to the protests that have been going on. And those abductions and arrests are done by agents and officers who are under the authority of the IG or the respondents who are cited in this matter. That is the second reason to which this court based its ruling, to have the IG explain himself and purge the contempt. We can't appear today and be told that we have officers of the court. We are either sitting today to comply with court orders, or this court has no power to make orders. Precisely because they are officers of the court, the officers coming from the IG today, for that reason alone that they are officers of the court, they ought to know that court orders must be complied with. My Lord, we are all officers of the court. When we don't respect the court, we cease to have the right of audience that we have before this court. We get that privilege because we respect the authority of the court. The court has given significant importance that the citizens of this country, because of the rights guaranteed under the Constitution, declared and not given as of gift by the state, will not be denied without a proper legal framework and explanation to this court. That is how important this sitting is. Let us not make it a forum to bicker between the 2 sides of the bar, the Attorney General or the DPP and the side of our side of the bar on why and who should have audience. No, we are talking about lives of citizens of this country. This court has issued specific orders and has convened to confirm whether its own orders have been complied with. this court can confirm that without these antiques by the other side of the bar. My Lord, people cannot just disappear. We are run under the Constitution. The powers of security are given to very specific agencies of the state. We don't have any other that can just arrest people or abduct people. So we can't have a police system that works as the medieval musketeers, where the king can have any group of people who are preserving the security of the king. Or the military wing of the Nazis, the SS, who could arrest anyone and not explain or bring people to court. We can't have that. You will be invited to stories that people can disappear or people disappeared and they are not in any police station. That has no room in this constitution that has given specific monopoly to that power to specific agencies of the state. My Lord, we invite you to punish the IG for contempt. I don't think we can sit in this forum today for any other purpose but to address the issue of contempt. Thank you very much, my Lord.
My Lord, I will be very short and precise. My Lord, the orders given by the court, they are not a suggestion or an opinion for someone to follow or not. They are a direction that have been given after so much thought, my Lord. On the matter of contempt, the first respondent was given an opportune time to respond to it and to appear in court in order to purge that same order. The first respondent has declined or has blatantly declined to show up in court, my Lord. Not because there are more important things than a court order, but because of a choice, my Lord. It is his obligation, and when taking oath of office, he stated that he will uphold the Constitution and the rule of law. It is quite shocking that the officer who's supposed to uphold the rule of law is the one defying orders. We are therefore praying that he be held in contempt, because as the ruling stated, your ruling, my Lord, stated that the court has teeth and it can bite. It is high time that it beat, and it beat hard. That's all, my Lord.
My Lord, please. It is unfortunate that my colleagues representing the petition had to make matter like the court has made a decision has been made by this court that the second, third, and fourth respondents are in custody of the first respondent or the first and fourth respondent. Indeed, it's not true. No decision has been made. My Lord, this morning, I have information that my client is in Mombasa. We came with evidence. Attending a workshop that is a must attend for him. The workshop is on the validation forum for the final review of work plan and budget. Budget for Northeastern and Coast Region security strategy. As the head of security, which is key to this nation, and his work constitutional duty, he had to attend the said function.
Kindly, Your Lordship, may I offer my objection to the same. My name is Mwaniki. Counsel is testifying rather than submitting on the law for the petitioners. Your Lordship, we do contend that if counsel continues to adduce facts, we should be treated or allowed to cross on the same.
My Lord, the reason why I came with an officer from the office of the Inspector General is for him to adduce these documents and produce them before this court. And the Inspector General has not said that he's not coming before this court. What he's asking that he be given another date. For him to make the necessary arrangements. And he's also requesting that the replying affidavit that we filed be considered, because it is our position that the second, third, and fourth respondents are not in the custody of the police. They are not persons of interest.
Your Lordship, I raise once more, seeking your clarification on my objection.
Counsel have it.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, my Lord, and that I'm requesting that it's in the interest of justice, my Lord, if you can allow me. My Lord, and that's why we are explaining, so we can get another date for the IG.
You are asking us to, or rather, what you are trying to say is that you are now going to the substance of the application that is before us.
My Lord, the petitioners went before went way deep into the substance of the petition, my Lord. Yes.
I have not accepted your understanding of that because there is an issue of content that is pending, which must stay with. That is the procedure. Once there is content, you cannot look at any other matter until and unless either is punished for that content or you punish the content. So that is what we are doing.
Yes, my Lord, and that's
those other issues that you are raising, whether or not they are in custody of the police, whether or not they were arrested, those things will still have their time. They will still come. We will deal with that at an appropriate time.
Yes.
But for now, the reason why we convene this sitting is because of what has transpired before. And that's what we are trying to do.
Yes, my Lord, then we'll be requesting.
We are giving you all the opportunity from Contempt to bring up those facts with regard to the issue of these petitioners. Second court petitioners who are still unconducted and their whereabouts are unknown.
My Lord, this petition, actually we can go into the substance of the issues of 2030.
Court addresses without having an exchange with the court.
We can't do that because, you see, for us to move forward, we must use the issue that is before us. And that is the attendance of the Inspector of Police to explain why the orders which the court has issued today have not been complied with.
Yes, and my Lord, that is.
I have the Inspector General of Police there. He is supposed to explain previously, and then move forward. Simple. It's that simple. It's not complicated. We cannot keep on going around the street. We need to come direct. Tell me you don't have Inspector General of Police. As a court, you are free to what you want, and I will do it.
My Lord, that is why I was addressing you, and the Inspector General is requesting for another date. When he can appear before this court because he's away on official duties, my Lord. He's aware of the court orders and he's willing to obey the court orders and he's seeking for the court's indulgence today. My Lord, that is what I was trying to explain. He sent his officer here. I thought the officer would explain better than me. We're requesting that the court indulges the IG and gives him another opportunity to appear before this court.
Mtazamaji, ni matukio katika mahakama kuu ambapo kaimu mkuu wa polisi Gilbert Masengeli alitarajiwa kufika, lakini kwa mara nyingine ya tatu amekosa kufika kulingana na agizo ambalo lilitolewa na mahakama kuu. Lakini wakili wake amemtetea na kusema kwamba Masengeli hajasusia kufika mahakamani kuelezea mengi kuhusiana na kutoweka kwa ndugu wawili pamoja na mwanaharakati mmoja katika eneo la Kitengela. Lakini anasema kile ambacho kimemfanya kutohudhuria mahakama hii leo ni kwamba anahudhuria warsha katika eneo la Pwani, na ameonyesha stakabadhi, amebeba stakabadhi katika mahakama akionyesha kwamba warsha ambayo Masengeli anahudhuria ni ya kuhusiana na bajeti ya usalama katika eneo la kaskazini mashariki mwa nchi, na kuomba mahakama impe siku nyingine tofauti ya kuhudhuria ili kuelezea kile anachokifahamu kuhusiana na kutoweka kwa ndugu wawili pamoja na mwanaharakati mmoja katika eneo la Kitengela. Mtazamaji, ni matukio katika mahakama kuu. Kufikia hapo mtazamaji, nachukua pumziko fupi, lakini mengi kuhusiana na taarifa hiyo ni kwenye taarifa zetu zijazo. Nachukua pumziko fupi, nikirejea tutaendelea na mjadala kuhusiana na chanjo ya Mpox.